Hello friends and loved ones, welcome once again to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you my all-time favorite street food, Ghanaian authentic fried rock band. Yes, fried rock band. It is so delicious, very crispy from the outside and soft in the inside, and I believe you want to try. So come with me to the kitchen and let's get started. So first, I am going to use all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour is the best because I always cook my food from the scratch and I really enjoyed it. So I have in my clean bowl right here and I'm going to add in my flour. So we are going to use 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Yeah, I've never tried this recipe with bread flour or self-raising flour, but I always want to start it from the scratch. So please use all-purpose flour, and I have in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a half teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm going to use 8 tablespoons of butter or margarine if preferred, and also I'm going to use 1 cube of nutmeg. So I'm going to grind it freshly, and that is what I'm going to use for this recipe. But if you have the powder one, it is the same and it is okay. So now I am going to mix all my ingredients together until it's nicely combined. But I just want to take this opportunity and thank all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel if you are new, and my returning subscribers also, thank you so much. Now our flour is nicely mixed. In a clean bowl, I am going to add 2.5 cups of water, and this water right here is cold. Yeah, and after that I'm going to use agave syrup, but you can use sugar, and this is a half cup of sugar or agave syrup. And I have in here vanilla extract, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of pineapple flavor. And after that, please combine everything together until it is nicely mixed, and please go ahead and add in with your wet ingredients and dry ingredients. So now I am mixing in right here. I'm not gonna add all of it, so I'm gradually gonna add it until I get the consistency that I want. So I will say that I actually use about 2 cups of water in total to mix my dough. Yeah, this is the perfect texture that I want. Make sure that you don't over mix your dough, because if you do over mix it, it's not gonna come out as rocky or as crunchy it will look. So please make sure that you don't over mix your dough. So now I have my pot on the stove. I'm adding in my oil. You can use any fried oil of your choice, yeah, for your preference, and gradually add in your dough. So that, like what I'm doing right now, that is how you have to do it. So in this way it will come out like a rocky consistency. That is the perfect way to make your fried rock band. This is authentic Ghanaian street side or Ghana roadside recipe. So I hope you are going to enjoy this, and trust me, it is gonna come out really beautiful and very perfect. So how to tell that this is done? Of course, the color is gonna change into a very beautiful and authentic gold brown. Yes, it's gonna look really nice. So please make sure you're using the right heat or the temperature. So on my stove I am using medium heat to fry this rock band. Yeah, and as it turns into brown, make sure that you lower your heat into a low heat, so that way you will not burn your rock bands. That is how I do, and that is the trick. So after that it is done, and we are going to remove it and add the remaining ones. I come sounds why a crunchy and casana to say would you sing boom bones get out. That is what we want. So after adding, I just let it fried and it is ready. So today I'm going to enjoy with my soft drink. You can use any soft drink of your choice, and that is how you serve your rock band with. So thank you so much for watching. I am going to break one so you can see how it looks in the inside and how it also feels on the outside. So thank you so much for watching. I pray and hope you will try this recipe with your family. It is quarantine season and the quarantine is about to end. This is the perfect time to serve with your friends and family after the lockdown. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you really enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this video and don't forget to subscribe. Until I see you once again on my channel, stay safe, stay positive, stay joyful, and have a blessed afternoon. Bye bye.